If you did not subscribe to the channel before starting the video, then do it. In this video, how to install WhatsApp on JioPhone. Hello friend, Manoj Madhavi welcomes to my channel, Technical Manoj with Animation. If you are one of the JioPhone customers who are waiting for WhatsApp, then your waiting is over. WhatsApp has come in the live phone. Now you can run WhatsApp in your Rs 1500 and the new JioPhone 2. WhatsApp information about the arrival of WhatsApp on your blog is given by WhatsApp itself, and if we also checked in our JioPhone, we have received an update on WhatsApp. So let us know how to download WhatsApp in the phone. Now open the Jio Store app in the live phone. After this, there will be an option to download WhatsApp with your Facebook, YouTube and download it simultaneously. Click on Download Now. After downloading, just enter your mobile number and activate WhatsApp. Now you can easily run WhatsApp in U1. WhatsApp can be downloaded in JioPhone and JioPhone 2. Explaining that Reliance Jio had give this information in this annual general meeting, it was said that from August 15th, the voicemail will the JioPhone, but it took a while and now finally the JioPhone has got the chance to run WhatsApp. That's all in this video. If you liked this video, share it like this. Like how the video liked and comment on me, you get good day in your next video.